Huron Wingham Fire. Please respond to 40851 Browntown Road for a CO alarm going off. All feeling okay? Homeowners outside. Again, it's 40851 Browntown Road. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire, please respond to 40851 Browntown Road, Crossroads or Clyde Line and Klieg Line for a CO alarm going off. All feeling okay? Homeowners outside. Again, please respond to 40851 Browntown Road, side roads Clyde Line and Klieg Line. It is January 23rd, time of second page, 421:34.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham station.
Roger, page acknowledged is 42204.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Tank 9.
Tank 9, go ahead.
You show Tank 9 responding to Browntown Road, Alpha Bravo +3 belted.
Roger, Tanker 9 responding, Alpha Bravo +3 belted. It is 428:55.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Tank 9.
Go ahead.
You can show Tank 9 on scene. Bravo will be command and mobile.
Roger, Tank 9 on scene, Bravo command and mobile at 439.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
You can show all occupants out of home. We'll be sending a crew in to investigate, doing air quality.
That's Roger, all occupants out of home, sending crew in to test air quality at 440.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command. You can show 360 in progress. We have a single-story new construction home.
Roger, 360 in progress, single story new construction home at 441.
Entry 1, can you give me a command and update? Roger that. Readings at 29. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
We do have readings of 29 parts per million in that structure. We are doing a further investigation.
Roger, readings are of 29 ppm, conducting further investigation. It is 044924.
Alpha command. Go ahead, command Alpha. Yeah, when you get to that wood stove, just have a look, see what kind of, what's in the firebox. Because I think she said it was 10 o'clock last night was the last time they put wood on the fire. Yeah, roger that. We have located the wood stove. There's not much other than coals inside the firebox. Yeah, roger that. How are your readings down in the basement around it? We're still holding 29 parts per million steel. Roger that. Command call entry 1. Go ahead, entry 1 command. We have located 2 ash buckets in front of the fireplace. One of them is still glowing pretty good. You can show us removing them from the structure right now. Yeah, roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
We believe we have sourced the issue to a bucket of hot ashes in the residence. We are going to ventilate and then reassess.
Roger, source issue of hot ash in residence going to ventilate, then reassess. It is 4:57:16.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
We have stopped ventilation. We will be sending in a second crew to do a second air quality check.
That's Roger, you stopped the ventilation. We'll be sending in a second crew to do a second air quality check at 5:12:46.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
North Huron Command, go ahead.
You can show we now have 0 readings to the structure. We will be doing a smoke and CO alarm check.
Roger that, getting 0 readings. You're conducting a smoke and CO alarm check 5:18:36. Fire dispatch, fire command.
Go ahead, dispatch, this is command.
Roger, I have another CO alarm call at 19 Crawford Street. Do you want that paged out?
Yeah, roger that. If you can page that out, that'd be great. Thank you.
Roger that. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond 19 Crawford Street. They're responding there for CO alarms going off in the residence. All parties have evacuated. Everyone feeling okay. That's 19 Crawford Street for CO alarms in the residence. Time of first page 5:24:19. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond 19 Crawford Street for CO alarms going off in the residence. All parties have evacuated and no one complaining of symptoms. That's 19 Crawford Street, crossroad of Lloyd Street for carbon monoxide alarms going off in the residence. It is the 23rd of January, 5:25:09. Wingham Fire, please respond.
First.
Fire unit calling, go ahead.
Dispatch page acknowledged to the Wingham Station.
Page acknowledged, 5:25:58.
Bravo, car 2. Go ahead, car 2, Bravo. Can you give me an update on your situation there, please? Yeah, we're just wrapping up doing some paperwork and some smoke alarms. We won't be long. Dispatch, Mark, car 2 responding to 19 Crawford Street.
Roger that, car 2, you're responding 5:31:44.
Fire dispatch, North Huron ladder 2.
Ladder 2, go ahead.
You can show ladder 2 responding to Crawford Street, Fairly Plus 4 belted.
That's Roger, ladder 2, you're responding Charlie plus 4 belted 5:32:22.
Dispatch, Mark, car 2 and ladder 2 on scene.
That's Roger, car 2, ladder 2 on scene, 5:35:26.
Fire dispatch, Browntown command. Scene is being left with homeowner. Command is terminated. Tank 9 return to Wingham Station.
That's Roger, scene left with homeowner, command terminated, truck 9 returning 5:38:19.
Fire dispatch, North Huron ladder 2.
Ladder 2, go ahead.
So Charlie in command has the Lloyd Street call. 360 in progress, checking the vents. Also assembling a crew to enter.
Roger that, Charlie in command, 360 in progress, checking vents and setting up crew to enter, 53907.
Command, entry 1. Go ahead. Entry 1 is entering structure, Alpha 5, Part 2, on air. We're bolting out people to structure and investigation. Roger that. Command, entry 1. Go ahead. Roger that. Charlie, Tank 9. Go ahead. Do you need anything from us on our way by? That's negative. Command, entry 1. Go ahead. So we have 0 readings at the basement. Also, upon entry of the structure, we had no audible alarm. We're going to continue to investigate. Roger that, 0 readings throughout the whole structure. Going to continue to investigate. Can you just do a smoke alarm check while you're in there as well? Fire dispatch, North Huron, Tank 9.
Tank 9, go ahead.
You can show Tank 9 back at Wingham back in service from the Browntown Road call.
That's Roger, Tank 9, you're back in Wingham at the hall, back in service 55134.
Entry Team 1, call command. Go ahead, command, entry 1. Just to confirm, you said you had no alarms going off? Copy that. No alarms going off the whole time we've been inside. Roger that, no alarms, no readings. Fire dispatch, North Huron, Crawford Street, command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show we have 0 readings and no alarms going off at this location.
That's Roger, 0 readings, no alarms, 56255.
Command, entry 1. Go ahead, entry 1, command. Entry 1 is exiting structure, Alpha 5, Part 2, off air. Roger that. Fire dispatch, car 2 clear of Crawford Street.
That's Roger, car 2, you're clear, 6 o'clock.
Entry Team 1, call command. Go ahead, command, entry 1. Yeah, just wondering the status. Roger that, second sweep complete, 0 readings. Go ahead. Roger that. Fire dispatch, Crawford Street, command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show second sweep at the structure down, 0 readings. Entry team has exited the building. Command will be terminated, ladder 2 will be clear and return to Wingham Station.
Roger, command, second sweep complete. No readings. Ladder 2, you're clear, returning. Command terminated. 607.
Delta, call ladder 2. Go ahead, ladder 2, Delta. That flashlight's out here.